Hi you guys, this is Slappy with Slappy Adventures. I know I look a little different. I'm not on the motorcycle as of right now, but I am on my motor. I am on the truck. I'm at the job. It's Slappy.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on her tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
Alright, children. Let Slappy Adventures tell you a little story. You guys ready?
Yeah, we ready.
Alright, here we go.
Well, yeah, I come through here one day and there was a bear. I didn't even know what it was. It was so dark, but a bear was in my lane, running my way. He was in my lane, running away, running the same way I was going. And all I did was see a glimpse of something that was black that was in front of me. And he must have been he had to be on all fours. So when I ran up on him, he must have poked his head up. And when he poked his head up, that's when I hit him. And if he'd have kept his head down, he might not have been hit, but I could feel him up under the truck. Blugga, 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 blugga. And the poor bear was a hamburger. I asked my buddy that was behind me, I said, man, did you see something in the damn road going down through there? He was like, yeah, man, there's a bear. He still has smoke coming off of him. He said, it's beat up. I said, well, I hit him. He didn't do no damage to my car because he was down low. He bent my the tag back that was on the
motorcycle stuff. I do more than just Honda Goldwing stuff. I got a Suzuki Boulevard and a Kawasaki ZX14, a Kawasaki Concours. So that adventure covers a lot of realms that I do. You know, I do family stuff on my channel. I do football with my son, doing the sports, get the grandkids involved. I'm just all over the place with my channel. But it's part of, I should have called it Slappy's World, because this is my world, and I'm bringing it to you guys. Come on, ride with me as I go down 40 and go get these good groceries. Food line. Hey, you see it, my beard in the way. Food line, extra low prices. I'm gone, y'all. Peace. All right, this is another Slappy adventure. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. And oh yeah, please leave a comment. Huh?